Hello students, good afternoon. Let's see today another sum which came in year 2011. So David and Bimal are partners sharing profit and losses in 3:2. The balance sheet was as follows. Sundry creditor, general reserve, capital, cash, stock, debtor, provision is there, building, furniture. They admitted Chandar as a new partner on 1st April 2010 and the new profit sharing ratio becomes 5:3:2. Chandar introduced a capital of 16,000. Chandar was unable to bring any cash for goodwill, so it was decided to value the goodwill on the basis of his share in the profits and the capital contributed by him. The following revaluation were made at the time of Chandar's admission. So stock has been overvalued rupees to rupees 750 and furniture by rupees 500. Provision for doubtful debts is to be increased by 100. Creditor 2350 was paid off by Bimal privately for which he was not to be reimbursed. So first we can make revaluation account easily. So stocks had been overvalued to 750. That means stock has been uh, mentioned at overvalued figures. So 750 we will reduce from stock, so we will debit the revaluation account with stock and furniture 750 and 500. Again, provision for doubtful debts is to be increased, so liability will increase, so provision for doubtful debts has to be created, so we will debit the revaluation account by provision for doubtful debts. Again, creditor will be devalued because Vimal has paid him privately and he will not be reimbursed for that, so creditor will reduce by 2350. So total 1000 revaluation profit is coming, which will be distributed between David and Bimal in 3:2 ratio. That is old ratio. So 600 and 400 will go to each. Now let's see how to value the goodwill. How to evaluate the goodwill. So Chandar's share in the profit of the firm is 2 by 10 or 1 by 5. Chandar is bringing 16,000 for 1 by 5 share. So the total capital of the firm is should be 80,000. So adjusted capital of the partner. Let's see now. In this David's capital opening balance 18,000 was there, and in that 600 revaluation per profit will be added, and general reserve will be distributed among them in 3:2, 3,000 rupees. So it will be distributed 1800 to 1200. So David's capital will become 20,400, Bimal's capital will become 13,600. So their adjusted capital is 34,000, whereas Chandar's capital is 16,000. So the total capital becomes 50,000. So what is the value of goodwill? So total revised total capital minus the available total capital. So 30,000 is the value of goodwill. Now share of the goodwill has to be done. Adjustment has to be done because he cannot bring any premium for goodwill. So it has to be done through capital accounts. So share of goodwill before admission 18,000 and 12,000, and share of goodwill after admission 5:3:2. So you can see David is sacrificing 3,000 and Vimal is sacrificing 3,000, and that is gained by Chandar. So we will credit the David and Vimal's capital account by 1800, by 3,000 and 3,000, and we will debit the David's capital by 6,000. So let's see now how to make capital account. By balance sheet is given by Chandar's current account, that 6,000 of goodwill is adjusted through current account. You already know that at that time current account is debited, capital account is not debited because it's just coming in. His capital will be affected, and his capital will not be shown at the in the balance sheet at the correct figure. So goodwill is adjusted through current account. So 3,000 and 3,000 between David and Vimal we will distribute, because we have calculated this from this working. From here we have calculated 3,000, 3,000, that is entered in the capital account. Again, by bank account, Chandar is bringing 16,000. So Chandar's capital will be created by bank, and general reserve will be distributed among them, and evaluation profit. Again, to balance CD we will get from here. And let's see now what is balance sheet. So building 15,000, 55,000, furniture at revalued figure. Earlier the furniture was 4,000, so it has become now 3,500. Debtors provision for doubtful adjusted by 100 rupees, and stock at the old figure, stock at the revalued figure. So by 750 it will decrease. So cash becomes 32 plus 16,000, and Chandra's current account will appear in the balance sheet. And here partners capital account, adjusted partner to balance BD CD we have got here from capital account. We will enter it here only, the new capital, and creditor, as it was said that 2350 will be paid by everyone, so creditors will reduce by this much, so the balance sheet will match here. So this is the sum of 2011. So thank you.